Managing network infrastructure requires careful preparation of long-term plans for its modernization. Network Optimisation Planner is an application that facilitates the development of a pipeline replacement strategy based on the technical requirements, financial possibilities, and objective needs of your city. The calculations are based on a multi-criteria analysis, assessing the recorded network failures, material degradation curves, age and function of pipes or investment plans. Each section receives an individual score that defines its priority for replacement for the next 5, 15, or even 50 years. The results of the analyses are presented in the form of thematic maps, indicating pipes qualified for replacement in a given year, as well as in the form of accessible tables and charts. At each stage of the analysis, it is possible to set technical and cost parameters according to your needs and preferences. The Network Modernization Plan can be integrated with the Infrastructure Development Scheme or the renovation of roads and pavements, ensuring proper coordination and sequence of works. Using the Network Optimization Planner with other tools, such as GIS databases, hydraulic models, and network leakage monitor, will make our work more effective. Thanks to the possibility of exporting data to vector layers or spreadsheets, we have a chance for their further processing.